Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Wi-Fi Extender installation. No tech skills needed. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Plug your TP-Link Wi-Fi extender into a power socket near your router. Step 2. Wait for power light. Wait until the power LED turns solid, usually green or blue. Step 3. Press the WPS button on router. Press the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. Step 4. Press WPS on extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the TP-Link extender. Step 5. Wait for connection. The extender's Wi-Fi light will turn solid, showing it's connected. Step 6. Move the extender. Place the extender halfway between your router and weak Wi-Fi area. Step 7. Check signal light. Make sure the signal LED is green or strong, not red. Step 8. Connect your device. Connect your phone or laptop to the extended Wi-Fi network. Step 9. Test internet speed. Open a website to confirm the internet is working smoothly. Step 10. Installation complete. Enjoy stronger Wi-Fi coverage in all rooms. No tech skills needed. Thanks for watching.